Hi guys! Every day, because I have so many house plants, I probably have at least 200, always adding. In the mornings I repot somebody. So these guys are trees. And so this is, I think it's a Fisca tree and a ponytail palm. So these guys all got graduated. This was in one pot, now it's two. So we'll see who can live through the winter in upstate New York as a house plant. Hopefully everybody will stay alive, and I guess I'll know by the end of the winter what does good in our house and what doesn't. But we have a south-facing windows, two of them that have plants, west-facing. Pretty much those two windows have plants, and then I have fluorescent LED lights that, believe it or not, most of my plants do really well when they're under there. So here you go. Repotting in the morning is the typical chore that I have for my house jungle as I'm redecorating. Oh, look at the butterfly. Did you like that little butterfly? He came over to check out the repotting. So these guys got repotted this morning, and I think I have a good spot for them. And isn't this pretty? I love this plant. And then this Fisca tree. This one just had like a really big growth spurt. And I noticed something interesting. Sometimes I can put plants on the front porch and they don't do good, but if I put them in my front picture window, they do great when it's like the heat of the summer, and I guess I would say it's a west facing area. So look how good these guys are doing. So these guys are going to go back into the house. I think I'm going to put them in the south-facing window. They were in the west-facing, mainly because I want to, I usually redecorate every day with plants too. Another reason I love house plants. So these guys are going to go in a different spot, and I'm going to redecorate my front picture window. And these guys are going to find a different home and see how they do in those spots. But they do love the sun. Both of these plants love the sun. So that's every day. That's part of my daily chores. I just do a few every day, and then because there's always somebody needing to move or get adjusted, or something needs to be propagated. And if I get too many plants, I have lots of friends that would love to have some free plants. So I'm generous. So anyway, here they are, the plants that got repotted this morning. But every day, that's part of my daily chores for my plants. So remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.